He was born into poverty, the son of Mexican immigrants, struggling to survive in California. Richard Montañez couldn't read well, and English was his second language. He dropped out of school and started working odd jobs just to help his family. One day, he landed a job as a janitor at Frito-Lay. He took pride in cleaning floors. But Richard knew he was capable of more. His mind was full of untapped ideas. One afternoon, a machine malfunctioned and chips came out without flavor. Richard took some unflavored chips home and added Mexican spices, inspired by his heritage. His family loved the new taste. He believed the world would too. He asked his wife to help him write a presentation, even though he barely knew how. Then he made the biggest move of his life. He called the CEO directly. Despite his position, the CEO gave him 15 minutes. Richard came in nervous, but ready. He pitched Flamin Hot Cheetos as spicy snacks for the Latino market. The room went quiet. Then the CEO smiled. "Let's try it," he said. The idea became a billion-dollar success. Flamin' Hot Cheetos were born.